very antagonizing.
All right, so as Porter is saying, welcome to another exciting adventure with second period and their off-topic topics of fortnight. Okay, so we're going to look into subtracting expressions. This whole past week, you have demonstrated you guys can combine like terms. You can do the distributive property. That's not a problem at all. Now we're going to subtract expressions. And so we're going to have to add a step into our work. At the top of the handout that you have, I want you to write this, including the parentheses. Okay? Leave, add, opposites. Leave, add, opposites. And the parentheses are going to be involved with the two expressions. If you look at question number 1 on the front of your handout, the side that says subtracting expressions, holes are on the left side. What we're looking at is between the two expressions, in the middle of the two parentheses. We want to check if it's an addition sign or if it's a subtraction sign. So I am looking at that middle sign right here. That is the one that we need to check. If it's an adding sign, go straight into combining like terms and be done with your problem. If it is a subtraction sign, like we have here, I want us to follow the leave, add, opposite that you just wrote down. We're going to leave the first set of parentheses exactly the way it is, change that minus sign to a plus, and then every term in the next parentheses needs to become its opposite.
So negative, positive, positive, negative?
We'll change them as they need to. So on this first one, we're going to leave 9r minus 5 exactly as we see it. Change to a plus sign in the middle. And now we're going to start flipping the signs on the next set of terms. Negative 4r will become
4r.
Positive 4r. Good. And the plus 9 will become what? Turn it to a minus 9. Once we've done leave, add, opposite, you can go straight into combining your like terms. We have 9r. It will combine with 4r. 9r and 4r gives us 13r. And then we have negative 5 and negative 9 combined to be negative 14. And there's your answer. We said the only thing that we have to pay attention to at first is verifying the center sign between the parentheses. Make a little sense? Today's class is all about practicing this. All right? Let's go on to question 2. We look at the very middle sign. And since it is a subtraction sign, what do we need to do? Leave, add, opposite. So I'm just keep writing my stuff down. Leave, add, opposite. We will leave 3b minus 4. Change the minus to plus. And what is the next expression, Brooke?
5b negative 3.
Good. We're going to change to 5b, and instead of plus 3, we will write minus 3. And now we go to combining like terms. 3b and 5b does make 8b. Thank you.
Negative 7.
How'd you get negative 7?
Negative 4 plus negative 3.
Good. Negative 4, negative 3 is negative 7. Very good. Kind of see, it's just the process. Do we have to do this if there is a plus sign in the middle? No. Go straight to combining like terms. It's just that middle minus sign that we have to watch out for. Okay? All right, I want you to question number 3. I'm going to give you a minute. All right, let's see what you guys got. How will we rewrite this expression? The whole thing. Connor.
Open parentheses, negative 4k and negative 1 and close parentheses and then an adding symbol and then open parentheses positive 6k plus positive 6.
Very good. That is written correctly. Once you go and combine like terms, what is your final expression? Spencer. 2k plus 5. Very good. Kind of got a handle on it? Kind of. Do one more?
No.
I've already done.
Oh, so you want to finish the rest? And then I'm putting your names on the wheel, and you're going to the board and solving them.
Let's do it.
That's what I thought. All right. So you're going to do 4 through 10. Your names are already in the wheel. And I'm going to get 7 of you
It's because we're a favorite color.
out of the 13. Dun, dun, dun. And
Put my name.
we'll look at your answer. Spencer's name is going in there more than once.
Oh, you
All right.
put my name negative times.
Yeah, no. Sorry. Nice try, Porter.
I'll trade names with y'all.
All right. So you work on the next 7, and then we will go to the board and see what you got.